Dear students, so now I am going to be continue some examples in the set theory. The example is like draw appropriate Venn diagram of appropriate Venn diagram for the following, for each of the following. So many times in the examination they have been asked that to draw the appropriate Venn diagram of the following. Okay, so the first one is A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash. It means the elements which are present in U but not in A union B. So we can write this one as the word U minus of A union B. So U minus of A union B. First, we should have to be write down for the word A union B. So how we are going to be draw for the A union B Venn diagram is this is universal set, this is set A, this is set B. A union B means the elements which are present in A or in B or in both. So we are going to draw this one like this. This is about the word A union B. Next, what I want is A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash means what? The elements which are present in U but not in A union B. ಯಾವ elements universal set ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವೋ ಬಟ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಒಳಗ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಐತಿ, A union B ಒಳಗೆ ಐತಿ. ಇದರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು the elements which are present in U but not in A union B. ಅವಾಗ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? A union B whole dash is like this is A, this is B. ಅವಾಗ A union B ಒಳಗಿರಬಾರದು. ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, the elements which are present in U ಅಂದ್ರೆ universal set but not in A union B. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ universal set ನಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾವ but A union B ಒಳಗ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. This is nothing but what? A union B whole dash. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗೋದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ್ರಿ. Draw an appropriate diagram, the Venn diagram ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So this is nothing but what? The elements which are present in U but not in A union B. So this is nothing but what? A union B whole dash. It's opposite. It's bit ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, that is nothing but U. The elements which are present in U but not in A union B. The next one, second one. So you have to pause the video and you have to note down the notes, and along with the video you should have to give the attendance compulsory. The second one, A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. First A dash ಬರೆಯೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ B dash ಬರೆಯೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ intersection ಬರೆಯೋಣ. First is A dash. What is A dash? Is nothing but U minus of A. The elements which are present in U but not in A. So this is nothing but what? A dash. It is ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ತಗೋತೇನೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. This is set A, this is set B. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಬರೀ A dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ, A dash intersection B dash ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. A intersection, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ intersection ಇದಾವೆ, so I have been taking the two sets. Okay, A dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಿರಿ ಸರ್, the elements which are present in U but not in A ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಿ, ಹೌದು. So look here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ A dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is the set A. The elements which are not present in A but in U. But in U ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು? set B ಒಳಗೂ elements present ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ನೋಡಿ like this. But A ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬಾರದು. ಬಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಲಿ ಬಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಕಾಮನ್ ಮತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ even don't fill up the space which have the common. The elements which are not present in A but in U. U means including the B. Getting? So this is nothing but the diagram for the what? A dash. Next is about what? The B dash. That is U minus of B. So either diagram ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? So this is A, this is B, this is universal. So set B, the elements which are present in U but not in B. In B set biಟ್ಟು. So except this B set, we have to fill the lines remaining, the remaining region of this diagram. So except B, we have to fill all the things. Except B set, the remaining is nothing but that is your universal set. Why we are considering the A is in the universal set? What is the meaning of universal set? Universal set is nothing but to write it is containing the remaining subset. The subset, all the subsets. That is nothing but the universal set. Universal set ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? It includes all the subsets. Getting? So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ? Okay. So this is A dash B dash. What is A dash? Intersection B dash. ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ A dash intersection B dash? This is a very important. This is A, this is B. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? Okay. If I fill up the line this also, ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ A dash intersection ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್? A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash ಒಳಗೆ you should not have to fill up the B and A because it is except ಅಂದ್ರೆ AB ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. We doesn't have the lines for the AB because if you fill up the A, then it is not the A dash, that is A. If you fill up the B, then it is B, not the B dash. So except this AB, the remaining part is nothing but what you are. The remaining part is nothing but your A dash intersection B dash. Note the elements which are not present in A and in B. The elements which are not present in A and in B. Getting? So remaining the U is your A dash intersection B dash. By D Morgan's law ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? A dash intersection B dash is nothing but A union B whole dash. That A union B whole dash equals to the A dash intersection B dash. So that the next I am going to show the Venn diagram for that one also. Getting? So this is nothing but A dash intersection. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು A ನು ತುಂಬಾಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, B ನು ತುಂಬಾಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, this is A dash, this is B dash. ಎರಡು intersection. This is A dash, this is B dash. So intersection ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? This portion you get. Remaining should have to fill up the line. ಎರಡು ತುಡು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡು. This is A dash, this is B dash. ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡು. Very simple. Getting? That is nothing but A dash intersection B dash. ಇವೆರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಎರಡು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಂದ fill up ಇದೆ. Getting? Okay. The next one is about A dash A intersection B whole dash. The next one is about A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash is nothing but U minus of A intersection B. The elements which are present in U but not in A intersection B. First we should have to take the A intersection B diagram. Okay. This is set A. This is set B. And this is universal set. The elements which are present in A and in B. So which is present in A and in B. So common elements in the A and B. Sorry, I'm sorry. The elements which are present in A and B, no? It means common elements. I'm sorry. This is the common elements. Okay. These are the common elements. The common elements present in A and B means this is what? A and B. This is what? The elements which are present in A and B. So this is the common feature. The common elements of A and B is nothing but whatever A intersection B. What is A intersection B? Hold that. The elements which are present in U but not in A intersection B. The elements A intersection B biಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ region ಏನ್ರಿ? That is your A intersection B voltage. Opposite diagram ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ? That is nothing but what you are A intersection B whole dash. That is your what? A intersection B whole dash. This is A. This is B. This is A. This is B. This is universal set. A intersection B whole dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? The elements are present in U except this A intersection B, the remaining lines. That is your one. That is your one. A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash andru ondare and A dash union B dash andru ondare. Getting? So the next we are going to learn that one only. So this is nothing but what? A intersection B whole dash. But D formulas ನಾವು ಒಳಗೈತೆ. A intersection B whole dash is nothing but A dash union B dash. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ? Okay. The next one is about that one. So ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? This is A intersection B. What is A intersection B whole dash? It's opposite. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ತುಂಬಿದಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದ region ತುಂಬೋದು. That is nothing but the elements which are present in U but not in A intersection B. A intersection B ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದ region ಏನ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ದು A intersection B whole dash ಇರ್ತದೆ. Getting? So the next one. The fourth one, A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash. So, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಇದಾವೆ. So, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ A dash ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. But here we have to take the two sets from it. A dash is nothing but what? The elements which are present in U but not in A. Okay? The elements which are present in U but not in A. ಅಂದ್ರೆ A region ಬಿಟ್ಟು A set ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ region ನೀವು ತುಂಬೋದು. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ರಿ? ಇದು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ. Except the set A, except the ball set A, except the ball A, you should have to fill up the remaining portion is nothing but what you are A dash. So next is about the what? B dash, that is nothing but U minus of B. That is the elements which are present in U but not in B. This is A, this is B, this is universal. The elements which are present in U but not in B. B ball vector. So leaving this B region, you should have to fill up the remaining region of this. That is nothing but what you are B dash. Then what is union? The elements which are present in A dash as well as in B dash as well as to the both. ಅವು A dash ನಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, B dash ನಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡು ತೊಳಗೂ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is A dash union B dash is A dash union B dash is nothing but A intersection B whole dash. Those are present should be in A dash as well as in B dash as well as in the both. So that is nothing but whatever A dash union B dash. So how we are going to be fill up that one? ಇವೆರಡು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಇವೆರಡು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? That is nothing but that element which are present in A dash union in B dash. So that is nothing but this is A, this is B, this is U. So U ಅಂತೂ ನೀವು ತುಂಬ್ತೀರಿ. That is compulsory. The elements which are present in A dash as well as in B dash as in the both. ಅದರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತದೆ? This position. This is the same diagram as well as for the what? A intersection B dash. So that is nothing but what? A dash union B dash. ಗೊತ್ತಾತ್ರಿ? So ಇವೆರಡು ಥ್ರೂ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the elements which are present in A dash as well as in B dash to the both. That is nothing but whatever A dash union B dash. Okay. So this is about the what? The Venn diagram. So in the exercise they have given to be solved some Venn diagram of the Venn diagram of the sets. The next one is about, just I will highlight some important practical problems. Some important practical problems. Okay. One more Venn diagram I will show. I think they are not going to be asked, but this will help in the what? In one of the example. Verify the next one. Verify that A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Distributive law. That is nothing but distributive law. But first I will take the LHS. A union B intersection C. So how many sets we have? Here we have the 3 sets. First I will take for the LHS. This is set A. More intersection ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. This is set B. This is set C. This is A. This is B. This is C. So first I will take for the what? B intersection C. What is B? B is here. C is here. Intersection means the elements which are present in B as well as in C. So this is what? B intersection C. Then first next what we have to be solved? A union of B intersection C. The next what it is? A union of B intersection C. A union of B intersection C means what? The elements which are present in A as well as the elements which are present in A or in B intersection C or in the both. Note. This is again A. This is again B. This is again C. Okay. This is A, B, C. Already we have B intersection C ಮಾಡಿದೆ. A union B intersection C ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? A union ಅಂದ್ರೆ the elements which are present in A or in B intersection C or in the both. ಅಂದ್ರೆ full A ತುಂಬಿಬಿಡು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಟರ್ನ್. So this is nothing but what? A union B intersection C. The elements which are present in A or in B intersection C or in the both. So this is nothing but what? A union of B intersection C. Next RHS is bರ್ತದೆ. First I will take A union B. So what you are going to be solved for? What you are going to be take down for the A union B? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಸೆಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ C ನು ಐತಿ. C sorry, I will take the broad one. They have said us to verify the LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay. A, B, C is universal, correct? Compulsory. This is universal. Okay. So the elements which are present in A or in B or in both. A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ರೀಜನ್ ಬಂದು. Or in B or in both ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ A union B ನ ಬಂದು. The elements which are present in A or in B or in both. T3. Okay. So next is about the what? A. This is A union B. Next is about A union C. The elements which are present in A or in C or in both. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, this is A, B, C. The elements which are present in A region andre idu bandu. Fill up this one. Or in C andre idella bandu. Or in both. So next is about the what? That is A. We have to be verified. A union B intersection C. This is A union B intersection A union C. So that I will solve here. So that how to solve this one? That clearly I will make it line here. So when I intersect the A union B intersection C intersection A union C, so A is both for this one, A union B and A union C. First I will fill up for the both for the set A completely, because it is having A union B, A union C. So A union B means here the elements are present in A or in B or in both. Illi bantu the elements which are present in A or in C. A or in C andre yav bantri idu completely fill up agade. Or in the both. So intersection madidre namge ಏನು ಉಳಿತ್ರಿ this part, that is the elements which are present in A union B, the elements which are present in A or in B or in both. The ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ A ಕಾಮನ್ ಐತಿ, the elements which are present in A or in C ಅಂದ್ರೆ C complete ಇಲ್ಲಿ common ones. Okay, or in A and C. So this is nothing but here we can say that